Well, I just want to let you know that how happy I am with all of the folks at Earth Works, from the very start with the planning stages to the final results. When the team came out here, they were so organized and thoughtful and meticulous in all the details. And that's including the design team, but also the crew that came out here to do the work. And they went above and beyond my expectations, and we even made some changes as we were doing the project, and they just made it so easy and seamless, and the results are truly beautiful. I now have this beautiful garden of green and lots of privacy and shade. So when I go out in my backyard, I have an oasis. I do. It's just a variety of beautiful green nature to look at. It's very peaceful, and I'm truly happy. I would recommend Earth Works to everybody.